Trick-or-treating's not just for kids. Let's make your snacks scream Halloween fun. First up, edible eyeballs. You will need some small round ice cube molds, Jell-O, gelatin, food coloring, and milk. Boo! Instant ghostly goodness. Recipe will be posted soon. Next, cadaver hands. Using disposable gloves, fill the fingers first with some tube-shaped candies. We used Smarties. Use Fun Dip, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, and other candy for the hand parts. They're a scream at parties. For a more savory twist, try spooky Halloween scenes on focaccia bread. We've used black olives for the spiders and the cat. Spooky faces using cherry tomatoes and olives. Your imagination is the limit with these easy-to-make focaccia breads. Finally, drinkable syringe shots. These are filled with our favorite colorful cocktails. What ghoulish fun! There you have it! Wickedly fun and frightfully easy Halloween treats to make your celebrations spooktacular. Happy Halloween, foodies!